What's up everybody? Today we are gonna work on the bumper. We're gonna try to fix the hole in the plastic cover. And before we start, we need to add some fuel because it's really low on it. If you haven't seen the other videos before, watch part 1, part 2 and part 3. And hope you enjoy the content. Leave a comment, please like, subscribe, dislike, anything is good. Stay tuned guys. Okay, so we are somewhat charged up. I'm gonna see if it's gonna start or not. We are about 80% on the charge. I want to get the car out and then make some room. I burned my finger a little bit because I'm stupid. It's looking pretty good actually. It doesn't look like much right now, but we'll sand this all down and then fill it up and mud it, and then we can paint the bumper. Also, over here, there's a pump, and there's a pump over here. Oh, it's much better now. So when I turn this around, let's see, it's also welded on the back. I know it's not the prettiest. Let's straighten this out too, no worries. I don't care about the back really, but I build it up a little bit more than I needed, just so I have more room to sand down. It's already solid over here. This part I need to fix. Oh, that's easy. This is how you redneck weld a hole in the bumper. You need a BMW bumper for spare. I use some plastic from the BMW. This bumper is from this car. But yeah. I need to get a grinder and some 80 grit and some other papers and sandpapers, I mean, and we can get going on this. But that's gonna be strong. You're never gonna see the difference. I know it looks like crap right now, but once you get it sand down and filled with Bondo, it will be a beauty. But don't worry about this, he's just surface. Let me guys know what you think about this. A new bumper costs $200. Well, not used. I mean, not new, it's used. Junkyard. They quoted me $200 on the bumper. And I mean, do you really see this? Once it's painted, sand, you only see this part, really. And this is just scuffed up. So, right there, it will be okay. Next is this rust bucket. Stay updated.